Hi, this is Richard Jones from ICOS, and this is a little video just explaining how you can do some really great price formatting in Drupal Commerce. Now, this is a straightforward install of Commerce Kickstart, which you can get out from Drupal.org or DrupalCommerce.org. And what I want to show you really is how we display prices on the page. If you saw the Drupal Commerce session at DrupalCon London, you'll see one of the tricks we did in one of our sites was to be able to split the price so you could see the retail price and the customer price. So this is basically how we achieved that. So I just want to show you that. So first of all, what we do is with Commerce Kickstart, you've got 3 products available to you. And what we're going to do, first of all, we're going to go to Store. We're going to go to Products and Product Types. What we're going to do is we're going to change the display of this product type. And you'll see here that when you have a price, you can choose a price formatter. And you can see the raw amount, formatted amount, or the formatted amount with components. And normally what you would see is the formatted amount calculated for the current user. I'm going to turn that off now. And then we'll see here, so we've got a price of $36, because default setup is in dollars. So that's fine. Now, if you want to put in a discount scheme, for example, it's really easy in Drupal Commerce. What we do, we go to Store, Configuration, Pricing Rules. And what I've actually made here is a quick rule here called 10% off, currently disabled. Okay, and you'll see here it's just got an action that says multiply the unit price by 0.9, therefore giving you 10% off. Okay, so I'm going to enable that particular rule now. There we go. You'll see instantly there my price is now $32.40 instead of $36. Okay, so that's all great, but as a user now, I can see that's my price I'm going to pay, but I can't actually see what it used to be, and that's actually going to be quite important to me. I don't know how much I've saved, I don't know how good an offer that is, and that's where the extra formatting module comes in. So I'm going to go into modules, and Commerce Contrib is where I put it. There's this extra module here called Commerce Extra Price Formatters, which you can download from Drupal.org. Put the link up at the end. I'll save that configuration now. There we go. Okay, so now if I go back to my store, products, my product types, and I manage to display again, I've got an extra price formatter here called RRP/your price. There we go. And I can change some settings here. So just to talk you through what these are, I can say show a simple price if the retail price and the customer price are the same. If you've actually got a particular product where there is no discount, there's no point saying here's the retail price and here's your price if they're the same, because it's no incentive to anyone if they're exactly the same. There's another tick box here that says, do you want to show the amount the customer's saving? And another one here that says, do you want to include tax and the retail price? Then we can physically change the labels that we're displaying. So I'm just going to leave those as the defaults, update that, and save. Okay, now you'll see on the display, I've set this for the default display, not the teaser. So if we go back to the list view, this is exactly the same, but when I dig through to the detail of the page, it now says RRP is $36, the offer price is $32.40, giving me a saving of $3.60. And that's as simple as that. So if I were to go back in here once more to my display, to show you some of what you can do here. So for example, I don't want to show the amount the customer's saving. Let's let them work it out for themselves. And I'll say retail price, and then maybe your price, and then I've just said I'm going to disable the you save bit. So update that, save that now, close it down again, And you'll see there, we've now got retail price and your price, exactly the same thing. So you've got really good control over what actually gets displayed on that particular product pricing. So that's all from one module. Now, with price formatting, you could have done that as a theme, but I figured that it was much easier to produce this as a little tiny add-on module, gives you much more flexibility and control over your price formatting for your shop.